welcome to WKP. Today we're going to be doing a tropical weather forecast. Right now you can see Hurricane Sam on satellite imagery. Incredible look. And also up here is disturbance number 1. There are also some areas in the Atlantic we need to watch. But before we get into that, please take a look at the gospel message in the description. Okay, so right now we have Category 4 Hurricane Sam, which has winds of 140 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 943 millibars. As you can see from the satellite imagery, Hurricane Sam has a very perfect eye and is definitely a rapidly strengthening hurricane. Hurricane Sam is in an area where there is less wind shear and high water temperatures, so we could see some further intensification. But as we go on out through the week, Hurricane Sam is going to start weakening, but it will stay a Category 3 hurricane, at least as it passes by the Lesser Antilles and Puerto Rico. Landfall in those areas is unlikely, but I do believe we should keep an eye on Bermuda, because what's going to happen is this storm will likely curve based on what the models are showing. So we should keep an eye out on Bermuda for the storm. If it does go to Bermuda or make a landfall on Bermuda, landfall would likely be at around Category 2 hurricane strength. That's hard to tell whether that'll happen as of now, but that's something we should keep an eye on. We also, in the next 5 days, have disturbance number 2, which has a 60% chance of tropical storm formation, and it's going to be a wave coming off of Africa. By early Monday, disturbance number 3 could form over eastern or central tropical Atlantic by early next week, but it only has a 20% chance of forming. And then disturbance number 1, which has a 20% chance of forming. We should probably keep an eye out on disturbance 2, since as you can see, it's forming in a very similar area to Sam. And possibly we could see a similar track to Sam. But as far as tracks go for this storm, we really don't have much of an idea as of now. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP, and hopefully I'll be able to make another video soon.